Hi, I'm Tom Schneider, CEO of WhisperKOOL. At WhisperKOOL, we take pride in the term made in the USA. Our products are assembled in Stockton, California. However, many of the components are sourced internationally. One of the most important values at WhisperKOOL is that of continuous improvement. We strive to establish ongoing goals to improve our customers' experience through the services we provide, the information shared to assure proper installation and efficiency of the products, improvement of existing products, and development of new products. Global sourcing helps us to achieve those goals. Our global sourcing initiative is to work factory direct with reputable companies to find the highest quality components at the best value, to utilize new energy efficient technology, to develop collaborative relationships where our engineering teams interact directly to improve performance, efficiency, and longevity of all of our products. Global sourcing takes us to countries such as China, Italy, France, and Brazil, amongst others. We work closely with manufacturers to conduct factory audits, establish high-quality standards, inspect production runs, and develop strategic partnerships. At WhisperKOOL, innovation and performance drives our vision in providing the best products to meet your wine preservation needs.